The magic bloom on Kitty Boom.
Oh no! My masterpiece. Oopsie! Bella built a tower tall and super grand. The bestest block tower in the whole wide land. But Tiko threw his ball, it bounced the wrong way. It knocked the tower down, ruined Bella's day. Uh-oh, look at Bella's face turns red. Steam is blowing out the top of her head. Her hands are in her fists, her tummy is tight. She's ready to roar with all her might. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Angry feelings bring the heat. Roar like a lion, growl like a bear. I'm a Grumpy-saurus Rex, so you better beware. Roar! Let's sit down on this comfy square. The mad feeling is big, it feels like a fire. But we can cool it down, lower and lower. Open the cool down kit, what's inside? Here is a squishy ball, give it a squeeze. Here is a pinwheel, blow in the breeze. Take a deep breath and let it out slow. Watch the Grumpysaurus pack up and go. Bella isn't red, she's back to pink. She can calmly talk and clearly think. And Tiko, please be careful when you throw. I'm sorry, Bella, let's rebuild it, go. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like for more.